Hey everyone, welcome back to my crypto trading bot journey. It is Thanksgiving, week 9, or specifically day 66 of my crypto trading bot journey. I'm doing this video late on Thanksgiving, so you're probably watching this on Black Friday. I do want to say happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Hopefully, you had a great time spending it with family and friends. If this is your first time joining me on my journey, we usually spend the first couple minutes talking about the crypto markets, Bitcoin in particular, because as Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market follows. So 2 weeks ago, Bitcoin hit its all-time high of $69,000, and last week when we talked, Bitcoin pulled back and was at $59,000. Let me go ahead and pull up CoinMarketCap. So this is the 1 week chart, and like I said, last week we're at 59,000. We pulled back to 57, and then we actually hit 55,000. Not once, we hit it once, we hit it twice, and we hit it a third time, and we actually bounced off it and went up to 59,000 yesterday, and we actually pulled back and we're at 57,000 now. So the markets, they're trying to figure out where to go. There's lots of news right now. There's more China FUD that's more related to stocks, but there's something about delisting China stocks on the stock market. There's also a new C19 variant. So stock markets, they're looking like they're going to be red on Friday. And one thing we don't know yet is if the crypto market is detached from the stock market, because as you know, in March of 2020, when the stock market crashed, crypto also crashed. So we'll see if they are completely detached from each other or not. And that's one thing that I'm curious to find out about. But in crypto only news, tomorrow is also a big options deadline. So the thinking is that once these options expire, the market's either going to sell off or the market's going to continue on its path to new all-time highs. I'm in the camp that thinks we continue a bull run, but what the hell do I know? I've said this many times. This is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just some guy who started a YouTube channel to document his journey. And as you know, this is day 66. So you're watching this in the future, so you know how this pans out. But it's definitely an interesting time to be in the markets. So having said that, let's get into the bots. So here we go. This first bot right here it used to be my rocket bot, I was calling it, but it's actually been pretty stagnant the past couple weeks. Um, it's been running here for 1 month and 28 days. It's given me an average daily return of 0.62%, and it's done 5,598 transactions for a bot profit of $1,053 or 36.68%. But as you can see, it's out of range. So if I pull up the chart, you'll see that it hasn't. Here's the grid lines right here, everything in red right here, and it hasn't made a trade since November 17th. So for about 9 days now, it hasn't done any trades because it's fallen out of this range. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm probably thinking about. I've been waiting for it to go back into range, but what this bot is this trading pair is actually Cody, and Cody is related to ADA or Cardano. And as if you're following the markets, you know that Cardano really hasn't done anything for the past couple months. And so if Cardano picks back up, Cody, as a result, will also rocket back up. And as you can see, there's all these sells right here. All we have is sell orders. So if this rockets back up, it's definitely going to make a lot of profit. I'm just debating if I want to wait for this code. There's talk that ADA will probably pick back up in December or January. I don't know if I want to wait that long or if I want to just cancel this bot and just hodl the coin and just wait for it to go back up. I'm debating that, but we'll see. I'll probably make a decision next couple days. But as you can tell, over the last 9 days, it hasn't done anything for me. This next bot is one of my Autobots, and it's been running for 1 month and 19 days. Has an average daily return of 0.22%, and it's done 2,333 transactions for a bot profit of $1,312 or 11%. These three bots right here are all Autobots. So these are Autobots, mean that I want to keep both pairs, and I'm not trading it into USD. So this first bot, I'm it's a standard bot, and when the coin sells, it sells into USD. So I get it in US dollars, and I'm able to do whatever I want with that money. These Autobots, I want to accumulate both of the pairs. So this one is Solana and BTC. So I'm holding these coins for a long time. I'm going to hold them for, right now, as of 2021, I plan to hold these for 10 years. So, that all three of these pairs I plan to hold for 10 years. So, um, yeah, when either sells or buys, it's accumulating both pairs. So that's the point of having these hodl bots. So this second bot, or this third bot, like I said, it's been running for 1 month and 14 days. I actually had to regrid this bot and this bot, my third and fourth bots. This bot right here was actually the first bot that I put in to the system, but I regrid it 1 month and 2 days ago. It has an average daily return of 0.24%. It's done 2,308 transactions for a bot profit of $467 or 7.80%. And these last two bots, these are my SHIB trading bots. So if you saw my last video, you know that I'm doing a comparison between the new scalper bot that Bitsgap just released against the standard bot that I learned from Dan Hollings and the plan. I'll do a separate video on that where I go in depth, but as you can see, so this one's the scalper bot and this is the standard bot, and I started these both at the same day. This one, the scalper bot, actually started maybe 15 minutes earlier than the standard bot, but as you can see, it's not looking too good for the scalper bot. It's being significantly outperformed by the standard bot, but like I said, I'll go into this a little bit more in depth later. So these are the bots, and here's a summary. Let me pull up a summary of what it looks like over the past nine weeks. So as you can see, here's my 9-week bot return. I've had an initial investment of $26,000, and the bot return, 9-week bot return, is $5,984. It's been a change from last week of over the past week, it's increased by $334. So the bots made me $334 passively while I was doing something else. So changes I plan on making for the bots are plan on adding a couple of the scalper bots I talked about in my video last week. I'm thinking about taking out Cody and just hodling the coin like I mentioned earlier. And if I do, that's going to free up a spot on my bot list. So I plan on adding a coin, either in the scalper bot or in the regular standard bot, in a couple coins in the metaverse and gaming space. Those coins are on fire right now. Maybe I can catch a couple. Actually, I'll add a couple to my demo bots and see how they do there before I actually throw some real money into it. But yeah, those are the bots. And if this is the first time watching, I purchased a program where I learned about these bots and how to actually configure them and the settings to use. It's called The Plan by Dan Hollings. I was in beta group 2, which started in August. Beta group 3 was open for a few days, but that closed for new members last month in October. I do have some news that I just found out this week. I was told that The Plan by Dan Hollings is opening back up this weekend on Saturday. I still don't have details on how much the program is and how long it's going to be open for, but last time it was open for about a week and a half, and I don't know if they're going to open up permanently or if it's another beta group. They still haven't released all those details yet, but if you're interested in the program and want to get notified when it opens back up, click the link down below and I'll send over details right when I get them. And if you're enjoying following along on this journey, please remember to subscribe and smash that like button. It helps with the YouTube algorithm and helps me grow this channel. And I'm glad to have you join me on my journey. Happy Thanksgiving once again. And as always, fiat and gold is dead. Crypto is the future, and the future is now. See you all on the next video.